Hello, now we show you the spider wrap. This side is a small size, this one is a big size. And now I show you how does it work. Like this. Then when we finished to fix the four line to surround with package, then we need to fix it. We need to fix it, and then you can see there is put it inside. Now it is very tight. It is workable. If somebody want to stolen these goods, one way is to cut the line. It will alarm by himself. And the other side, if we put this AM spider alarm to go through the EAS gates, the EAS gates will alarm. And if we want to lose this spider wrap, how does it work? This is the detector, magnetic, and this is the connect port. We just want to connect like this, and we drag it. Now the line is loose, and we get out this package. That's all.